Hey all, welcome back to another math video. Today's first question is, what is the greatest positive integer less than 100 that has an odd number of positive divisors? So first of all, in the simplest way possible explaining the strategy, let's say we have a number a. And a, obviously, its divisors include a in it itself and 1. Say that a also has a divisor like m and n. Say a also has a divisor like x and y. So on, so on. If all of these equal a, then these are all of a's divisors. Say that there are a's only divisors. Also notice how I am writing the divisors in pairs, x and y, m and n, and 1 and a. So, since pairs come in 2, a has an even number of divisors. However, if a is a perfect square, then a not only would have itself, it would also have a random number. So say that a is the perfect square of b. So then you would only write one of b. And then say m and n again, and then like x and y again. But this time, since my intelligent viewers, they know that since an odd number plus an even number is always going to be an odd number, since b is 1 and it's basically standing alone, if you count all these numbers, it's going to be odd. And since no matter how many more even numbers you throw onto an odd number fire, it's still going to be odd. So that's why perfect squares are the only numbers that have an odd number of divisors. So taking that idea into this question, what is the greatest positive integer less than 100 that has an odd number of positive divisors? Our answer must be a perfect square. Since 100 is the perfect square of 10 times 10 times 10, then the next smallest perfect square would be 9 times 9, which is 81. And 81 is our final answer. Moving on to problem number 2, what is the greatest integer less than 10,000 that is a factor of, since these are some big numbers and I don't feel like reading them today, this plus this plus this. So if we add this all together, you would get 12,111. So we are trying to find the greatest integer less than 10,000 that is also a factor of 12,111. Taking that idea into consideration, since 12,111 is already greater than 10,000, it cannot be that because that would be 1. Since 12,111 is not divisible by 2, it is odd. Then we have to divide by 3 because if you add this together, this is 3, this is 3, then you would get 6, which is divisible by 3. If we divide this number by 3, however, it would get 4, since this is the next smallest positive integer behind 1 and 2. If you divide this, you get 4, you get nothing left over, you move down the 1, you get 0, move down another 1, you get 3, get a 9, move the 2, 1, 7. So the answer is 4037. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys learned something new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!